Okay guys, so we're getting to like the part where we're actually gonna wait the cross. Look, the bow ain't so straight. It gotta be
no
like,
importa.
yeah, we're gonna do that later.
Vamos a cortar esta parte para bajar.
Okay, so cutting more of that. Whoa, that's awesome. What am I doing? I should focus on the camera. My bow. Don't hurt my bow. My crossbow. Not necessarily. Literally a saw machete. Right? Can't wait till this thing's done. Wait. Now we're gonna use that one, the sharp one. Really sharp. That one's like new. Not even a year old. Wow, this is a lot of work. I've been out here for like 2 hours. At least I'm not hungry or hot. Wow. Stand up. Saws the walking. Zoom out. Perfect. A little scratches, but that's okay. The bow's gonna go right there. I told you it was dark. That looks pretty cool, kind of. Now, how are we gonna tie it? Do we have any more rope? Where? Rope. Oh, good. Just tying it. Wow. Look, it looks so professional. I don't know why I said that. That just kind of sounded weird. Yeah. Whoa. Where'd that bee go? Ooh. Bird just passed up me. Okay, now here comes the best part of the day. Tying it. You guys are probably really wanting a crossbow right now. I mean, like, if you're like a hunter that doesn't have a crossbow, or like one of your parents hunt, but you like want to do some archery, like you want to use a crossbow. I have a compound bow. Wow. Whoa. I can't wait for this thing. It's awesome. I didn't think this would actually become so good. My dad. Trying to get it perfect. This crossbow could probably take down an animal. I'm not kidding, guys. Because it is like at 5 million pounds. It's probably around enough to kill a groundhog, rabbit, or squirrel. If you got close enough anyway. But it's really just for fun. It's not really to shoot animals. That's the compound bows work. It's just for like fun. And you guys know it. I'm just so excited, guys. Literally that tall. Pretty big. Yeah, that's nice. I'm just focusing on the camera. On my dad's channel, you could go to his channel and comment, or even on my channel, there's this, if you have a computer or phone, There's like this spot where it says discussion and you can actually do a comment.
Ya está.
Okay. Dang. I'm stopping so I can hold it, okay? It's nice. Now the other thing we haven't figured out, I think that's its draw length. So, draw length is gonna be so how you're gonna reload it is you're gonna go like this, probably. Go like this. Pull it back. Oh, I think that's a good draw length.
Ahora otra vez, hazlo.
Dang.
¿Hasta dónde lo quieres para poner la
I'm
segura?
guessing to right here.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, guys, it's looking really nice. And as the trigger, we got there, and when we pull it back, this part's gonna hold it, but we're also gonna put this one there too, so it's gonna be stable. We're gonna use this arrow. It doesn't have really a sharp tip, but I could get a sharper one maybe. And it goes perfect on here, just barely. Sorry. This is what the trigger is gonna be. I hope we get this right. We might need a longer one.
Mm-hmm.
So we might have to pause here for just a second. Oh.
Yep.
Okay guys, so gonna pause here just a second so we can get a longer screw.
Ahí va. Una buena parte.
Guys, look at this crossbow. It's looking pretty cool. But it's not fully done because it still doesn't have something to hold the string, so you literally have to hold the string the whole time. But that's what we're working on anyway. So just gonna shoot right at that. Max pulley.
Wow.
This is the box. I'll keep this stuff as flesh. I guess that can be some flesh. When you shoot it with only the stuff in it. I really think this thing's awesome. I really think it's awesome. I think a little too close there to the saw. Yeah, so that's the draw weight, right? I mean draw weight. Oh,
Wow.
it like goes halfway through. Whew. If you didn't have a trigger for that thing, that would your hands would be hurting